sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, rolling like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't do flexing, cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame team. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing. I'm gon' keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't do flexing, cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Wah, sumunod yung drone ah. Saglit lang muna tayo dito sa Sayote. Sayote Trail, Sayote Track, ano ba? Sayote Play Zone. Alas 4 na ng hapon. Try natin maglaro ng konti. Konting berm, konting jump. Phew! Akay ang bike. Pag dito ang ride. Kaya let's go! Blink? Ha? Oh, game.
Umistansya ka sa akin mo.
Bakit? Wala namang gap dyan eh. Hindi, titikit ako sa'yo. Bisa mo konti. Doubles. Dapat pala manual yun. Wah, sumunod yung drone ah. Galing ah. Kitang-kita ka sa drone, pre. Kitang-kita ka sa drone. Tama ba nito? Yun na yan?
Sakit sa binti.
Ay, sorry.
Collision detected. Aircraft landing automatically.
Matakin mo ako.
Yun lang, ang hirap to iakyat. Start muna tayo sa maliit. Maliit muna. Maliit muna! Yahoo! Walang yaka. Parang masyadong mabilis pre pag pinidalang ko, mabigat ako eh.
Nagpumodulate ako dyan, no?
Saan?
Dyan.
Okay.
Sa tapat nung ano,
Sundan kita.
nung unang jump.
Para makita ko yung speed mo, ganda ng ano mo eh. Nang smooth yung landing eh. Ano, nagpa-pump ka ba ulit? Diyan? Cycling follow.
No, this one you follow me. Later maybe you also can take one by one. So I try first whether it's okay or not.
Yeah, okay.
I go.
Go. Bike!
Kasi William, hindi na pan eh.
Ayan o, hindi na napital eh.
Ano Mer, kaya? Walang recall si Jemer ah.
Kasi mabigat kami bre. Yung gravity sa amin, advantage.
Kakampi ang gravity ano.
Kakapi ang gravity. Kakampi mo ang pink. Oh, ito nga, hindi na pumipidal oh.
Kaya kasi nagmumodulate ako doon sa kanya.
Oo. Sige, sundan kita. Tingnan ko yung speed mo. Ay di, mag-drone daw tayo sabi ni William eh.
Magbalik na yan.
Pagpunta na.
Yan na.
Mamaya na.
Dadas mo.
Dito na tayo? Okay. Ray, baka hindi ako tumira ha.
Sa kanan, sa kanan.
Sa kaliwa ka, okay. Kasi kung tingin ko kukulangin ako, dadagdagan ko
Kumanan ka
mamaya.
na lang.
Ha?
Kumanan ka na.
Hindi, para makita ko yung speed ko. Para makita ko yung speed ko.
Eh, ang exit mo, kanan. Kung hindi mo
Hindi nga, iuhinto lang ako dun sa harapan.
sa may mismo ka.
Oo. Namistansya ka na lang sa akin.
Ito nyo si Jemer doon, oh.
Game.
Game.
Bike! Uy! Nagminor pa ako pre. Hindi na ako pumidal, nagminor pa ako. Tapos parang lagpas pa yung tiro ko. Scary. Samad ka? Ba yan? Oo. Pero lula kasi yung kalaban. Pag sumobra ka, lula yung kalaban eh. Maano ka eh. Okay na ako. Pangugo na yan. Ha? Meron pa isa? Weakness ko ang step up eh. Kasi masyadong walang kicker eh. Ha? Hindi, syempre.
You watch the photo.
Ha? You didn't take photo? Nakuna mo, Bray? Tingnan kung titira pa ba ako, hindi. O bukas na ulit.
Sakto nga yung... Ay, titira ka na.
Sakto. Nag-ano pa ako? Nag-modulate pa ako. Ha? You on your camera?
Same.
You follow me?
Yeah.
Follow me. Game? Game? Is it blinking? Blinking?
Yes.
Okay, go. Bike. Ew. Ha? Akit ka ba?
Tumigil ka na nga, di ka pa nag-aya.
Nakapag-quickie din sa Sayote Trail. Ganda ng trail dito. Kaya salamat, shoutout sa mga builder. Ganda ng playground. Palis na kami. Ano pa? Mount Ugo bukas. Kaya let's go!
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on.
Come to Baguio! Baby!